Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a clean, dust-free workspace and powering the device down. This prevents dust attraction and accidental taps. Once done, remove any case so edges are accessible and place the phone on a flat surface. Use 2 small guide stickers or a strip of tape on one side to mark exact alignment points. This makes the first placement accurate. Make sure to hold the protector by the edges only, because fingerprints reduce adhesion and trap particles under the film. You peel the backing a little at a time and lower the protector from one edge so it lightly contacts the screen. This controlled approach prevents sudden misplacement. Then, using a plastic card wrapped in microfiber, press from the center outward to force air bubbles toward the edges. This ensures full contact. If you notice misalignment, lift gently along the taped guide and readjust a few millimeters rather than ripping it off completely, because incremental replacement preserves adhesive performance. You finalize by pressing down all edges firmly to seat the adhesive. This reduces future peeling. If small dust specks or bubbles remain near the edge, lift a corner slowly and use a small piece of tape to pick up the dust, then reseat the protector. Allow the adhesive to cure for at least 12 to 24 hours before replacing a case to avoid lifting. If persistent bubbles larger than a pinhead remain after a day, the easiest fix is to replace the protector for a flawless finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.